Sinabi na ba ng magulang mo, gawin mo ang lahat ng inutos ko? Nagdalawang isip ka ba? Nakipag-negotiate ka ba? This morning, my devotion was from John chapter 2 verses 1 to 10. Ito yung famous miracle ni Jesus where He turned water into wine. Pero this time, God gave me a new perspective. Mary told the servants, do whatever He tells you. Hindi niya sinabi kung ano yung mangyayari. Hindi niya pinaliwanag yung resulta. Obedience muna bago yung miracle. And I realize, ganun din tayo. Madalas gusto muna natin makita yung resulta bago tayo sumunod, tama. When I was gambling, I was earning a lot. Sabi ko kay Lord, Lord, pakitaan mo ko ng malaking panalo. Promise, every Sunday, magsisimba ako. Lahat ng kikitain ko, gagastusin ko lang sa family ko. Pero you know what? When I start surrendering my life to Jesus, kahit nalilihis na ako, He will redirect your path. God didn't say, I'll show you everything first. Ang message niya sa akin, live, trust me, follow. Yes, nakakatakot. Yes, nakakakaba. Walang kasiguraduhan. Pero when you do whatever He tells you, you will discover that God has an extraordinary purpose for your life. Kung nag-yes ako kay Lord, I hope and I pray na mag-yes ka rin para sa plano ni Lord para sa iyo.